Hi, this is Janusz speaking. Following some posts on nuBuilder forum, I prepared short example how we can record start and end date, for example, for the employee at office, and as well some calculation how we can adjust spice according to the weight of the meat used for the production. Yeah. So starting first with time recording. So let's assume that we have employee who is coming to work and we want to have automatic time recording. So he is just starting a nuBuilder, and once the nuBuilder is started, he has to press the button start at work. Yeah. And you can see time is recorded, and afterwards you cannot change this. Yeah. So it's frozen. Okay, and here is just only display. If you click, there is info only view mode. When the person is leaving, he has to open a nuBuilder. He don't need to keep it the whole day open, but he's just opening a nuBuilder and pressing the button going home. Yes, and here you can see the date when he left. But imagine he had to go back again to the work to complete something. So this he can adjust. Yes. So every time he is pressing, the date is adjusted and it's updated. Okay. So how we can do that? We have username. So this username is displayed according to the person who logged. Yeah. And if we go now to the button start work, yeah, so that's object list, started work, go to custom code, and let's have a look on the code. So first, I will disable this ID. We don't want that someone is double clicking and running the procedure twice. Later, he's just calling procedure, which will write the date directly to the MySQL table. And to have everything visible, we are just refreshing the form. Yeah. So this is what is behind this button. Okay. Let's look at them right now for the second button. This is going home. Yeah. So quite similar situation. We are having disable button, run procedure, run PHP procedure and work, and refreshing. Yeah. So now let's go to see how the procedures looks like. So we are going here, builders, procedure, and start work. Yeah. Okay. So we are just getting the username, and later we are preparing data to insert into the table. Yeah, so insert into time recording, values, ID of the record, the new record date, username and user ID, and run query. And this is for the procedure which is recording the data. And end of work, this is similar one. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So that's all here. Let's go to back to our main panel. Okay. And now second example for the spices. There was a question how to make some calculation on the form depending on some parameters. So for example, we are having meat, yeah, and for example, if I place 10 kilograms, you can see this is calculated. Salt, salt. If I choose paper, yes, salt is 0, and here I am having the value for the paper. Okay, make save. And here on this table, we can just differentiate the color for the salt and for the paper. So how we can do this? Going to form properties, custom code, and here is just example of the functions used for the calculation of the weight. So here are the parameters. I just put random ones, has to be adjusted. And here is the part which is just making the colors of the table. Okay. And to make it work, let's go to properties of this input button and custom code on change my spices. Yeah, and my spices you just saw before in the form properties. Okay. Concerning table, so time recording. So this is the table to which data are recorded. Yeah. And calculation. So I am recording what is just in the form you just saw here. Okay. And I think that's all for the short explanation. So this example will be available on our test server, test.nubuilder.com, in the demo mode. So you can have a look on the codes, but you cannot save some data here, but you can review. I think this part is working, so recording should work in this demo mode. But of course, you cannot check much because there is one record per person per day. Yeah, so if there will be, so you can check one day, second day, and so on. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.